I scripted, edited, captioned, uploaded this video in less than an hour. No staring at a blank page, no manual caption, no writing description, and I did this everything on CapCut and with Claude AI. And I'm going to show you the exact workflow step by step. Step 1. Before I even opened CapCut, I came to Claude and gave it one prompt. I asked to write me a script for this exact video, and then, crucially, I asked it to break that script into a short list. Every line of dialogue, what I should be filming, what B-roll to cut to, and roughly how long each section should run. This alone saved me probably an hour of planning. I didn't stare at a blank page. I had a full production document before I touched the camera. Step 2, and this is one of my favorite, I asked Claude to give me 3 different hooks for this video, because the first 5 seconds either keep someone watching or lose them forever. Here's what came back. I went with this one, because it leads with the result, not the process. The other 2, they weren't bad. I'm gonna leave them in the description so you can see how Claude think it through and gives you so many options based on what you like. Step 3, taking Claude's script directly into CapCut. Once I had my script, I didn't retype anything, passed it into CapCut text-to-speech tool, and I let it generate my caption automatically. Now I'll tweak the style, font size, position, but the actual work's done. I just added the voiceover to add my personality. Step 4, and this is where it gets properly interesting. I went back to Claude and asked it to take to the short list he already created and rewrite each scene as a Seedance AI prompt. So instead of showing CapCut timeline, it becomes a proper text prompt. Then I took it straight into a CapCut AI generator. I'm gonna show you this one, the one I adapted and added to this video. Usually there are more, there could be more, but for this video, because it's pretty technical, I didn't use many of them. Last step, and most people skip this entirely. Once the edit was done, I came back to Claude with a final script and asked it to write my YouTube titles, option, description, and tags, the full package. I picked the title and changed the description slightly. Think about how long this one normally takes. Writing a good description, tags, testing title variation, easily 30-45 minutes. Claude didn't do everything. I edit, I cut, I had the final idea, I tailor my specific way of doing videos. But Claude helped me very much for the workflow. And if you want to try my prompt, I leave them all in the description to help with your videos. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any other workflow or any other thing that you want me to show you, please leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to do a tutorial for you. See you soon on the next video.